Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to enable mouse controls in the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. This feature is disabled by default, but with a quick change to one of the game's configuration files, you'll be able to aim and shoot using your mouse. Let's get started. Before making any changes, completely close the Binding of Isaac Rebirth. You can leave Steam open if you want, but make sure the game itself is no longer running. Step 2. Open the Game Configuration folder. Now, open File Explorer. Navigate to your Documents folder. Inside Documents, open the My Games folder. Next, open the folder for your version of the game. If you're playing Repentance, open the Binding of Isaac Repentance folder. If you're playing the original Rebirth version, open the corresponding game folder instead. Inside the folder, locate the file named options.ini. If you don't see the file extension, click View, then Show, and make sure File Name Extensions is enabled. Now right-click options.ini and select Open With. Choose Notepad. Step 3. Enable mouse controls. Once the file opens, look for the following line, Mouse Control. Change the value from 0 to 1. If you're using the original Rebirth version, the process is exactly the same. Just open the options.ini file and change mouse control to 1. Once you've made the change, save the file and close Notepad. Now launch the Binding of Isaac Rebirth again. Once you're in the game, you'll be able to aim using your mouse. Simply move the mouse in the direction you want to shoot and use the left mouse button to fire. That's all there is to it. You can now play the Binding of Isaac Rebirth using mouse controls instead of relying only on the keyboard. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Binding of Isaac Rebirth tutorials, tips, and PC gaming guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.